Hey guys, so I'm going to rush through this one. I already have the code in. So here's the code for the view controller. We added our delegate methods at the top. Uh, Make sure you set the delegate to the self view controller. Let's see, here is where we configure each cell. So basically, we have the cell here, PokeCell. That's the reuse identifier because we're using the DQ reusable cell. So we're going to go into the cell right here, change the identifier to PokeCell. I also made the string uppercase for here, so just put dot localized uppercase string. You don't have to do it, but if you want it to look nice, sure. Okay, so here's where we configure each cell, get the Pokemon name, and then the Pokemon ID equals index path at row. I did +1 since basically the UI collection view and UI table view starts at 0 for index path. So we do +1 since our images start at 1 with Bulbasaur as the first Pokemon. Here we return the cell. Here this is going to change to 718 for now. That's the total number of image assets we have from right. Check again. I think it was 718. Yes, 718. So many Pokemon we have there. You can add in more Pokemon later on. I know we're missing some. Okay, so this is how many cells, items, whatever, how many images are going to be returned. We only have one section right now. Over here, we're just creating the size for the cells, the view layout. Also in the PokeCell here, we added uh, a new initializer method where we're going to round the coordinates for each layer. So I'm going to run the app real quick and show you guys how it looks. Also, this project's going to be on my GitHub. So github.com/rk905. That's me, Ryan. Go to repositories, Swift PokeDex, and you'll find the project here. Everything you need, all the codes here. While I'm working on these videos, I'll be updating the repository, so you should see hourly change there. Time. Just download it. Also, make sure to follow me. You can fork the repository into your own GitHub. Alright, looks like the simulator finished. So we should have Pokemon showing up. Let's take a look. Come on. There we go. There we got our Pokemon. Awesome, right? Next videos, we're going to do the names. We're going to have another view controller, so when you click on the Pokemon, you get some info on it. We'll also work on the search bar at the top. So we'll make it progressive. So let's say you're typing a Pokemon's name, it filters out. That's pretty cool. Alrighty. Have it, you guys take another. So make sure you add the delegates at the top, the required protocols down here. So you're doing self for row index path. You're doing did deselect. Oh, this was supposed to be did select. Sorry. So it'll be function collection view did select item. There we go. Hey, catch our mistakes. Alright, so did select, then you have number of items in section 718. You can play around with the number. It can't be more than 718, of course. You can make it 30 each and then create new pages or sort them by type later on. We have one section so far. So she did select items, number of items in section, you have number of items section collection view, and then we have the collection view layout size for items at index path. Play around with that too for the sizes. Alright, I'll get working on the next video. Should be video 7 next.